Hello, and welcome back to PharmaHealth Insights. Let me clarify this to you. AI is not taking your job, it's doing something far bigger. Imagine this. You walk into your lab, your office, or your classroom, and you realize the report you were supposed to prepare today, the AI has already finished it overnight. Your colleague didn't stay late to validate the data, an algorithm did it while everyone was asleep. Sounds unbelievable? Well, it's already happening. We've entered an era where machines no longer just assist us, they're starting to replace parts of what we do every day. The question is, will your job survive this AI wave, or get swept away by it? Hi everyone, I'm Rajesh from PharmaHealth Insights. Today I am exploring something every working professional in India must know: how AI is silently changing your job, even if you haven't noticed it yet. Stay with me until the end, because the last section could completely change the way you see your career. The reality. Let's face it, artificial intelligence isn't coming in the future. It's already here. In just the last 2 years, India has witnessed an explosion of AI tools in pharma labs, hospitals, factories, and even classrooms. According to NASSCOM, nearly 60% of Indian companies now use at least one AI-based system every single day. Tech giants like TCS and Infosys are using AI for predictive maintenance. AI predicts when machines will fail before they actually do. Pharma leaders like Sun Pharma are experimenting with AI in stability data analysis and formulation prediction. Hospitals across Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore use AI-driven diagnostic tools that detect early-stage diseases, sometimes faster than the most skilled doctors. So yes, artificial intelligence is not a trend, it's a quiet revolution that has already begun reshaping how we work. Let's talk about everyday jobs, real people like you and me. If you are a QC analyst, an engineer, a teacher, or even a content creator, AI is already rewriting your job description. For example, in pharma QC labs, AI-driven systems now scan chromatograms, highlight deviations, and even prepare draft reports. Work that used to take hours now takes minutes. In manufacturing, AI sensors monitor equipment performance, predict failures, and schedule maintenance automatically. No more guesswork, no more surprises. In hospitals, AI tools analyze thousands of X-rays and ECGs instantly, helping doctors diagnose faster and with higher accuracy. Even content creators and trainers are using AI tools to create scripts, generate visuals, and edit videos, just like this one. But here's the twist: if AI can do all this, what exactly will humans do next? Let's dig deeper. The human side. What's safe, what's not? I've worked in the pharma and healthcare industry for almost 3 decades. And trust me, every time a new technology arrived, there was panic. First computers. Then automation. Then digital documentation. And now, AI. But every single time, the people who learned and adapted early moved ahead. So, let's see, which roles are at risk, and which are safer? Where AI is really making an impact, and where it still can't touch us humans. Take the QC analyst, for example. AI can scan chromatograms, compare results, flag deviations, even trend data across batches, all in seconds. But when it comes to understanding why a value drifted, or what the pattern actually means, that still needs human judgment. Because a computer can see data, but it can't see the story behind it. Now look at the quality assurance officer. AI can draft documents, suggest CAPAs, or generate deviation summaries. But it can't walk into a production line, observe operator behavior, or sense when something just doesn't feel right. That level of intuition, that comes only from experience. Then there's the validation engineer. Yes, AI can run simulations, collect real-time equipment data, even predict failures. But deciding if a system is truly qualified? that still needs an engineer's brain, someone who can weigh evidence, consider risk, and sign off with accountability. Even in regulatory affairs, AI tools can autofill submissions and cross-link data from different dossiers. But interpreting complex compliance clauses, understanding gray areas in guidelines, or defending a response to regulators, that's still entirely human territory. And finally, think about trainers and mentors. AI can design training modules and track progress perfectly. But motivating people, inspiring them to care about quality, and building a culture of compliance, that's not coding, that's connection. And that's something no algorithm can replace. See, AI is great at data and logic. But it doesn't understand emotion, ethics, or context. And those are the things that make humans irreplaceable. So no, AI won't take your job. But someone who knows how to use AI better might. The rise of new roles. Now, here's the exciting part. AI isn't just changing jobs, it's creating completely new ones. Just 5 years ago, nobody had even heard of some of the roles that are now becoming the most in demand across industries. Let me give you a few examples. The first one, AI Data Integrity Auditor. These are the new guardians of data authenticity. They don't just check reports, they make sure every number, every output generated by AI, actually meets GMP standards. Because in the end, even machines need to be monitored for honesty. Then comes the prompt engineer. These are people who've mastered the art of asking the right questions to AI systems. Because the power of AI doesn't lie in what it knows, it lies in how you ask. Next, the digital validation specialist. Their job? To validate AI-driven systems themselves, ensuring that the algorithms, sensors, and predictive tools we rely on are compliant, consistent, and trustworthy. They're the bridge between innovation and regulation. Then we have the AI and automation project lead. They integrate people, processes, and intelligent systems into one smooth, efficient workflow. They don't replace humans, they make humans and AI work together seamlessly. And finally, the ethical compliance officer. A role that didn't even exist in most companies until recently. These professionals ensure that AI's decisions are fair, unbiased, and transparent, that technology always serves humanity, and not the other way around. Just imagine, none of these roles existed a few years ago. And today, they're shaping the future of every major industry, from pharmaceuticals to finance, from healthcare to education. That's the beauty of change. It doesn't just remove old jobs, it creates new ones we couldn't have even imagined before. And that's the opportunity you need to prepare for, right now. How to stay future-proof? So the big question, how do you stay relevant when the rules keep changing? Let's make it simple. Here are 5 powerful skills that will keep your career safe in the AI era. Number 1. Learn how AI works. You don't need to be a coder, just start experimenting with ChatGPT, Bard, or sector-specific tools. Number 2. Strengthen your domain knowledge. AI can assist you, but it can't replace your deep understanding of science, process, or logic. Number 3. Build your critical thinking muscles. Don't accept every AI suggestion blindly, learn to question it. Number 4. Develop soft skills. Communication, empathy, leadership, these can't be automated. And number 5. Keep learning, always. Take small online courses, attend workshops, and stay curious. Remember, AI is like electricity. Everyone will use it, but only those who understand how it flows will control it. The future we are walking into. By 2030, India is projected to be one of the top 3 AI-powered economies in the world. The government aims to train over 10 million professionals in AI and automation skills. But here's the truth, technology alone won't define the future. People who combine technology with human values will. AI can calculate, but only you can care. AI can predict, but only you can decide. That's your power, don't give it away. So, now that you've seen how fast the world is changing, ask yourself, are you ready to change with it? Will you fear AI, or will you train it to work for you? Tell me in the comments, how is AI changing your job or your industry? And if you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to PharmaHealth Insights. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.